Good day to all of you, and this is your Denver Leon Castro, video blogger from Philippines. For through the years, I am making video blog for educational entertainment, for any presentation, for religion, for school, games, and other variety, and even making a paid tribute to our loved ones that we miss. This is the thing that you will discover in Ninong TV, and a special gift for our friends and family this coming holiday season, and for any event that we will have. Because for any birthday or anniversary, wedding, and even a slide for your presentation for school and for work, for making a PowerPoint, making a show, that will be available now in Ninong TV, because the Ninong TV is now open for business blogging. Now this is the time that you will discover the prices and the variety of services that you will discover with us in the Ninong TV. For any birthday that you will have, you need a presentation, you need a sound system, a pictures or video that you will present it on the birthday. So Ninong TV can create a birthday tribute or an episode that will be available on the presentation and pay for as low as 550 pesos only. And Ninong TV will create a birthday episode just like a picture or a video presentation that will be available to present on your birthday. Of course, same as in the wedding, if you have your wedding days or anniversary, you will have a special presentation, a picture or a video that you want to pay tribute while the wedding or the anniversary is ongoing. You can have the picture and video with the music that Ninong TV will provide, and making a presentation of it. For as low as 550 pesos, you will have that show. And of course, for those who want to perform for their business, to promote their talent, to promote their skills, or any ordinary talent that you have that you want to promote here on YouTube or even in Facebook, Ninong TV is available for that. And you can pay as low as 250 pesos of payment, and Ninong TV will boost you and to post you on the YouTube and Facebook for your any variants of talent that you have, and to promote your business or to promote yourself, right? And for those who want to download my video blogs in MP4 for your educational, entertainment, or any forms that you want to download through MP4, and you want to post it on your own social media, and you can own that for only 150 pesos, you can download my video blogs and you can own that videos, and that will be yours. So you can use that for any types of presentation, any types of activities that you wanted to happen. For only 150 pesos for the blogs that I created, you want the blog that I created to you. And the payment for the screen record, if you can afford, if ever, is for only 80 pesos for the screen record from the first slide up to the last slide. Okay, so that is the Ninong TV for business. For any concern, for any inquiries, you may PM me, you may chat me, and you can proceed the payment through GCash and Maya. So I hope for any blogs that you wanted to happen in Ninong TV, you have a presentation, you have a project, and you want to create a special paid tribute, Ninong TV can help you in the Ninong TV business, and that is available now. Subscribe Ninong TV. Thank you.
Subscribe Ninong TV on YouTube and Facebook to discover more educational, vlog show, and entertainment, and to discover your vlogs that you wanted to buy and to download. Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.